station and moved on down the track, heading off into the sunset. It's never coming back. It's the end of an era, it's the end of a dream. The old steam locomotive finally ran out of steam. Well, she had her days of glory, her moments in the sun, but she rolls along unnoticed as she makes her final run. She helped to build our country, she helped to make it great, but now they say she's useless and no longer pulls her weight. Listen to that rumbling sound, hear the clickety-clack, see the smoke and cinder that's pouring from the stack. Hear that lonesome whistle blow as she comes around the bend. Listen close, 'cause you'll never hear that whistle blow again. One day we're all gonna be the same as that old train. When we've got nothing left to give, they'll flush us down the drain. There'll always be another just waiting to take our place. When they push us to the sidetrack, no longer in the race. Listen to that rumbling sound, hear the clickety-clack, see the smoke and cinder that's pouring from the stack. Hear that lonesome whistle blow as she comes around the bend. Listen close, 'cause you'll never hear that whistle blow again. Yeah, listen close, 'cause you'll never hear that whistle blow